What is going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today we're going to be making a product description live and me showing you guys exactly how I create and structure my product descriptions to convert potential customers to actual paying customers and making sales, which then leads to making profit. There's a bug on my screen, but Jesus Christ. So a lot of people tend to hit me up. They ask me, how do I make a description? What is going on? My conversion rate is too low. Why am I not making sales? How do I get more customers based off of my product page? So when you're running ads to a specific, product, usually you're going to be promoting them directly to the product page, not to the home page of your actual store website. So you want to make sure that your product page, which is essentially a landing page, will actually convert these potential customers into paying customers. So we're going to be going onto my computer and showing you guys every single little detail that I use in order to make more sales off of my landing pages. All right, so we're on my computer now. If we go right here, this is actually a product that I used to sell, and it actually was, I would say, a semi-winner. It was profitable, but not profitable enough for me to continue to actually keep promoting it and trying to make money off of it. So if you guys want to test this and see if it works for you, different ad accounts optimize differently based on so many variables, so maybe it'll work better for you than it worked for me. But, it costs $8 to $10, and, you sell it for around 40-ish, and that leaves you with a good margin. Just my cost per purchase was too high. I was trying lookalikes and everything like that. It just wasn't profitable enough for me to continue to, try and utilize that product. But, yeah, give it a shot. But we're actually going to be making a description for it today. No, I'm not just copying the description that I already had for it. I'm going to be making a brand new one and sort of just basing it off of that. So looking at this product right now, we see that it is a bubble maker, has the suction cups you put on the bathtub, and then it bubbles up, for kids or adults, whatever, to, play with the bubbles, whatever. So they put that there, has a battery, a little speaker. It's a crab. I think the title of it on my store was like Krabby Bubble Maker, and the ad was a video, and the cost of purchase was around like $18 to $20, which was just not low enough for me. But if we're gonna make a description about this or any product, on that note, is just finding out exactly what use this product has and how we're gonna capture potential customers and make them customers by attacking their emotions. So what I mean by that is starting off by qualifying that potential customer, asking a question. So just looking at this product right off the bat, I would ask something like, is your kid too crazy in the tub, or something like that. So we're just going to go ahead and go to this Google Doc here and, get started. So the product is Crab Bubble Maker. And the first part of description I always want to put is first qualification question. So basically this question you're going to be asking at the beginning of your description is basically going to qualify, are you too tired during the day? You need energy, Red Bull, you need the energy. So, you want to qualify, basically just like that. I want to keep this video basically short and to the point, but also effective in helping you guys understand sort of how to get people's attention and make them actually buy from your store. So number two, what we're going to do is inform. We're going to offer them a little bit of information about this product and how it relates to their own life. And then three, specifics. What I mean by this is going to be, several bullet points that provide exactly, what this product is and what it does. So if we go right here now, we're going to start with the qualification question right here. We're going to say, does your child need more bathtub entertainment? So basically we're qualifying right off the bat, people that have kids, people that babysit, people that, watch kids, whatever, and have to give them baths and they're too crazy or whatever. Does that child need more entertainment or want to have more fun? And then we're going to start off by offering some information. And next, number two, we're going to be informing them sort of on what the product is and what it does. So we're going to say, our Crab Bubble Maker provides that entertainment your child never knew they needed. And actually, we're going to aim this towards parents, actually, because kids that are using the bathtub and using this product probably don't understand much or comprehend, exactly what this product is and entertainment, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to say, our Crab Bubble Maker provides that entertainment for your child that you never knew you needed. Okay, so now we have that first little part. And usually my first, in the description, I usually like to have 3 sentences right off the bat at the top, and then 3 to 6 bullet points depending on the, specifics of the product and if it has a specific use. If it's something very basic, then most of the time it's going to be a very short and to the point description, but for something that actually has a use, you want to provide all the information you can on that and how that use can relate to that specific person's life. So far we have, does your child need more bathtub entertainment? Our crab bubble maker provides that entertainment for your child that you never knew you needed. And next we're going to provide one more little information spec, which will be something like get yours, basically a call to action to actually get them to possibly buy, which would be get yours now to relieve your stress and keep your child entertained. And this next sentence I have right here is basically just like a call to action. It says, get yours now to relieve your stress and keep your child entertained. Basically just, offering some information like, look, if you just want to have a more relaxed bath time with your kid, whatever, and, relieve your stress and then, offer this. So we're basically catering towards two different marketing points right here, which is the parents need it so they can relax more during bath time, and two, for kids to be more entertained so they're not bothering the parents the whole time. So now we're going to offer some specifics, which is going to be bullet points. And I'm just going to use these dashes right now because it's easier for me to use. But in the actual description, I would use the, bullet points. So the first thing we're going to say is something that's just like free worldwide shipping, just something that offers some information there that, is just another marketing plus for people to actually buy from our store on this specific product. And say something, let's look at the product. If we scroll down to their description, let's see what they say. Non-toxic. Let's just actually say non-toxic because that's something a lot of parents want to avoid is toxic stuff to their kids. High quality, non-toxic materials and 100% guaranteed fun. So right now we have our basic description of exactly what we need and the full framework of exactly what will convert these potential customers into actual paying customers. We have from the start, the qualification question. Does your child need more bathtub entertainment? And then two, we're going to inform, say, our crab bubble maker provides that entertainment for your child that you never knew you needed. And three, we're going to give a call to action, which is get yours now to relieve your stress and keep your child entertained. And then we're going to add some, specific details of the exact product and what it has going on, which we're going to say free worldwide shipping, just another marketing point to get them to possibly buy from us. And two, made of high quality, non-toxic materials, because that makes sure that, the kid's safe, they're having fun, whatever, parents don't have to worry about that. And three, just a little, fun marketing tactic, which is 100% guaranteed fun, which means that, the child will enjoy it and the parents will enjoy it. So if I was to sell this product right off the bat, just cold testing it, if it didn't have a description already that was decent, then I would make this and use this exact description. Maybe you want to try it out, import this product test it, see how it goes. But yeah, guys, that's what I would do here as far as making a description for your store. And remember, guys, the program is out today. New content October 1st, sale today only. So hit the link in the description below if you want to check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.